you guys doing? Back here with Justin, Ivan. Went, picked up some Chick-fil-A. We're just gonna get our grub going and then get started on the oil change. So, we bang. Alright, so we just got back from Chick-fil-A.
Ready to eat?
Ready to eat, ready to get this day going.
Oh man.
Food is
Can't
fuel.
forget the
Beautiful day out here in the state of Utah. Catch you guys on the flip. Alright, so we're here about to start the oil change. Got the car ready to be jacked up. A little dirty. Got a 16 mil. Getting ready to unbolt the oil pan to leak all the oil.
I ain't gonna lie.
Hershey's chocolate syrup. Going to open the oil cap and get more airflow to get it empty. So just notice that my coolant is a little low. We're gonna get that topped off as well. Make sure this OA STI is up and running smoothly. So far, we're just waiting for the oil to completely leak on out of there so we can get moving to the next step. The next step that we did was prime the oil filter just to get it ready so when we put it on, it's already juiced up and ready to go. Now we're gonna take off the old oil filter with our handy dandy little tool that we have. This is our handy dandy little tool that we have here.
Do kind of recommend if you can get something better.
Yes, if you have something. That one didn't work. Alright, this is our second handy dandy tool that we have. I have faith that this one is going to work, so. Let's wrap it around this way. Wrap it around this way. What?
Okay, it fell. Any day now.
There it goes. Now we got all the oil out. We're just kind of waiting for pretty much all of it to drip out so we don't have anything left over.
Just remember to keep the O-ring. If not, I'll most likely use another one.
Don't forget to put your bolt back on. It'd be shitty. I know people do that.
What?
Forgot to tighten that one. What filter did we get?
We got a Mobile 1 M1108A. For all you petrol heads out there trying to go to Advanced Auto Parts and buy your Subaru needs.
It's got the oil filter installed, got the bolt back on. Alright, so we're just gonna add a little bit or the rest of what we have in here. Some Lucas oil stabilizer really helps. In case you guys are wondering what I went and picked up for oil, it was the Mobile 1 5W30 full synthetic. It's done really well in the past and no problem so far.
Still got quite a bit of oil, to be honest.
Alright, so we're just gonna check the level, see where we're at.
Not quite there.
About a quarter away from being full. All right, so we just topped it off. We're just checking our oil level right now to make sure we're solid. And we are yay okay. All right, now we got done with the oil change. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start up, let you guys hear what it sounds like. Max 25-30 minutes. Everything went really well and smooth. You guys heard what the car sounds like. I will get more clips of the exhaust later in the future. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap things up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button. I would really appreciate that. Share it to your friends if you enjoyed the video as well. Comment below what you guys think I should do next. Until the next video, I will catch you guys later.